Good morning. Is it visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, okay. Give me a minute. Hello. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
visible? Is it
Yes.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have seen the Fourier series in which type of interval?
0 to
5.
and 5 to pi.
And
0 to
Your
pi.
voice is not
right.
audible.
And half range. Correct. So these are all about pi intervals. So pi intervals are over now, where pi's are there in the intervals. That is over. Now we'll go to the arbitrary interval. That is Fourier series in you can say C to C plus 2L. Now that pi is getting replaced by L. So we'll write the definition again. Is there any doubt, any problem? Voice is not audible. Give me a minute. Am I not audible properly?
Yes, audible.
Audible, ma'am.
Please check, everyone. Please check, am I not audible? Sakshi, you're not getting my voice? Sakshi, please rejoin. If everyone is not having problem, means it is not at my end, please rejoin. Those who are not getting my voice, please rejoin. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we'll go with the next type of interval, that is C to C plus 2L. Pi is replaced by L. L is a number. Instead pi, there will be a number. So we'll write the definition. F of x is a periodic function, right? That is the basic criteria. F of x is a periodic function with period. What will be the period here?
Yes.
Instead L. What is the period here? Their
C.
period was 2 pi.
L.
Their period is
2L.
2L, correct. And which satisfies, that what satisfies? Which conditions?
C equal to 0.
No. Which satisfies? Which conditions? You forget Dirichlet's conditions. Which satisfies Dirichlet condition, then its Fourier series is. Then its Fourier series is. What will be the Fourier series? What do you think? F of x is, there will be a naught, a n, b n, everything, right? Just pay attention. It is a naught plus summation a n cos. It was nx when there was pi, and the angle will be n pi x upon L when it will have a number and not pi. Angle changes. There will be the only change in angle, that's it. Plus bn sine what?
n pi x upon L.
Right. Just remember, whenever there is a number, angle is n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity is the Fourier series, where a naught, a and bn are constants, right? And what is a naught then? Where a naught is
1 upon 2L integration f of dx.
integration 1 upon, it was 2 pi there. As pi is replaced by L, so it is also replaced by L. 1 by 2L integration of f of x dx, and the limits are
C to C plus 2L.
correct. The interval, given interval, are the limits of integration. What will be an? 1 upon
L
Yes.
integration of
L.
x.
Just
F
we
of
are
x.
replacing pi by L, nothing else. And we have to pay attention here over angle. So C to C plus 2L, f of x into,
Cos n pi x upon L.
correct, cos n pi x by L dx. There was cos nx, here it is cos n pi x by L. And Bn is
1 upon L integration c to c plus 2L f of x sin n pi x L up
correct.
into
For
dx.
Bn, there is sine. And as it is L, n pi x by L is the angle. So this is the definition of Fourier series in C to C plus 2L. Right? This is basic definition. So now it starts with the intervals. What will be the first interval? Fourier series in the
Zero.
interval. Fourier series in what? It is exactly like pi, nothing else.
0 to
Okay.
2L.
Yes. So first interval in pi was 0 to 2 pi. Here it will be 0 to
2L.
2L. Perfect. With period is what?
2L.
Right.
2L.
Period never changes. With period is 2L. Right. So it's Fourier series is f of x is. Tell me the Fourier series, please.
A naught plus summation n equal to 1
Huh?
1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon L plus bn sin n pi x upon L.
You pay attention here only the angle, right? If it is not pi there should be n pi x by L. That L also we are going to find. Bn in plus Bn sin n pi x by L, where a naught is defined 1 upon
L integration 0 to
not
2L
L,
of x
not L.
1
It is
upon
basic
2L.
definition.
2L
Yes, it is 2L integration from
0 to 2L.
0
0
to
to
2L.
2L. And when it becomes L, in minus pi to pi type, do you remember it? Whenever we check even or, and if it is even or odd, it becomes 1 upon pi. In that case, it is 1 upon pi. An is
1
1
upon
upon
2L integration 0 to
not
2L f of
2L,
x.
not 2L,
1 upon L.
1 upon L, 0 to 2L, f of x into
Cos n
cos,
pi x upon L.
right, cos n pi x by L dx.
Hello
And
ma'am.
Bn is, yes,
Is equal to 1 upon 2L. That 2 up we can write in first equation f of x equal to a 0 upon 2. Is it
we
possible?
can do that. We can do that if you want, but we are not defining like that. So till now we have defined like this, so we'll define like this only. Okay. So if you are
Yes.
remembering something else, you can do that. Okay. Bn is
1 upon
1
L
upon
1 upon L, 0
integration
to
2L.
2L,
F of
of
x sin
x,
n pi x upon L.
right, sin n pi x by L dx. We'll find this, we'll substitute in this, and then we'll get your answer. Correct? Chala, this is your first interval in arbitrary 0 to 2L. What is the next interval?
minus L to L.
Correct. Fourier series in minus L to L. So whatever we did in pi, some same things we are doing in L also. So whenever it is minus L to L, what is first to check?
Need to check function is even or odd, neither even or
Right.
odd.
First check, sorry. check for the function, check f of x is even, odd, or neither even nor odd. Are we doing this in 0 to 2l?
No.
No. 0 to 2l ला आपण हे करत नाही. When we do this, only in the type minus to plus intervals, right? So we'll do this, and there are 3 types we know. So in that, if f of x is, say, even in minus L to L, what will be 0?
Bn.
Yeah.
Same.
Sorry.
It is like that only. So Bn is 0. So its Fourier series is f of x is
A naught plus summation n equal to 1 raised to infinity an cos n pi x upon n.
where Bn is directly 0. Whenever function is even, Bn is 0, right? So this is the Fourier series where we need to define a naught and an. What is a naught? 1 upon 2l was original. Now it is modified. So it is
L 1 upon L.
1
1
upon
upon
L.
L. And integration is from?
Minus L to
No,
0 to L.
it is 1 upon 2l minus L to L. But as it is even, it becomes 2 times 0 to L. 2 to
0
get
to L.
cancelled, right? So what is the integration? 1 upon L,
Into
0 to
L f of x
0 to
L.
L, f of x dx. Correct. And an is
2 upon
L.
integration 0 to
Correct.
L of x
2
cos
by
n pi.
L, 0 to L, f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. What I'm doing here is everywhere I'm replacing pi by L and the angle by n pi x by L. That's it. Okay, so this is when your function is even. Second, in minus L to L itself, if we check and the function is, say,
Odd.
is it recorded? Yes. Okay. If f of x is odd in minus L to L, right? It means what is 0?
A naught and
A
an.
naught and An.
Correct. A naught, an both are 0. We already have seen this. And the Fourier series is thus f of x is
Summation n equal to 1 raised to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L.
right. Bn into sine n pi x upon L. Because a naught, an both are 0, we are not writing it there. Where we need to find only Bn. Bn is
2 upon L integration 0 to L f of x sin n pi x
right.
upon
It is
dx.
2 by L, 0 to L, f of x, and for Bn there is into sine n pi x by L dx. This is when your function is odd. Odd is what? What we have checked, and it is odd.
F of x equal to minus f of x.
Now,
F of minus x equal to minus of f of x.
right, right. F of minus x is minus of f of x. And what is even?
F of minus x equal to f of x.
Right. And the third type is if f of x is neither even nor odd, means both the things are not there in minus L to L. So what is 0?
Nothing is 0.
Nothing.
Right, nothing is 0. So everything is there in a Fourier series. A naught summation an cos n pi x by L plus bn sine n pi x by L, everything a naught an bn. Where a naught is, how is a naught then? It doesn't modify now, right? Because it is not even, not odd, so it doesn't get modified and it is as it is. So can you define now?
1 upon twice L integration minus L
Right,
to
1
f of x.
upon 2L like original, and
Exactly.
integration limits are
Minus L to L.
correct, minus L to L f of x dx. Perfect. An is
1 by L.
integration
right, and
minus
integration
Minus
minus
L to
L.
right, f of x into
Cos
cos
n
n
pi
pi x upon L.
right, right, and Bn is
1
1
upon
by
L.
L.
right,
Integration
minus
minus L
L
to
to L
F
F
of
of
x
x sin n pi x upon L.
right, sine n pi x by L dx. So two intervals are done, 0 to 2L, minus L to L. What remains?
half range.
Right, half range, 0 to L. So next is half range Fourier series. Fourier series. Am I repeating it again as it is everything? Just pi is L and the angle is n pi x by L, right? So whenever it is half range means it will be 0 to L, right? And as half range, there are the two types. First is
Cosine.
Cosine.
right half range Fourier cosine series. It is exactly similar to
Even function.
function.
right. Perfect. So what is the half range Fourier cosine series? F of x is
A naught plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x n pi
right
x up.
where cos is there, and whenever cos is there, there is a naught and an, because cos comes with an, and when an comes, a naught also comes. So an cos n pi x by L. Bn is 0. No need to write Bn as it is only the cosine series where a naught is. What is a naught and an? It is exactly similar as even function in minus L2. So what is it?
1 by L.
1 by L.
Right?
0 to L.
0 to L.
L.
F of x takes
Perfect. And an is
2
2
upon
by
L.
L.
Which is
2 by
0.
L. 0
0
to
to
L.
L.
F
F
of
of
F
x
of
into
x
cos
x
was
L.
n by x upon L.
right n by x by L dx. So whenever it is L, your job is little bit increased. Like you have to write instead nx n by x by L. So you will think for that. Okay, and second type is half range
Sine.
Fourier sine series. Cosine is done. Next is sine series. And this is similar to
Or
Odd function.
odd function. So what is the sine series? F of x is
summation n equal to 1 raised to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L.
right sine n pi x by L. As it is sine is there, with sine bn comes, and when bn comes, a not an doesn't, right? So where bn is, what is bn?
2
by
upon summation 0
Right,
f
0
of x
to L
0 to L.
f of
L.
x into
Sin
sine
n
n pi x by L dx.
Into
So these
dx.
are all formally we'll need to solve the examples henceafter for L types of intervals, not pi types. So interval will not have pi in them. So that are arbitrary intervals. Okay. So we'll see the question. Before that, now once again I'll write C to C plus 2L. If this is so, there are the two types. Which two types?
0 to 2L minus L to L.
Right. First is 0 to 2L. Second is minus L to L. And 0 to 2L, we need to find A naught, AN, and BN, everything. But when minus L to L, you will check first even, odd, neither even nor odd. If it is even, you will only find A naught, AN, fine. Right? Fine. And if it is odd, you will only find BN.
bn.
And if it is neither even nor odd,
Nothing is 0 on we have
nothing is 0. All we need to find A naught, AN, and BN. Okay. And these two are called full range. Both are full range. And next is the half range, and half range is
0 to L.
0 to L is the half range. Right. And half range is of two types, cosine and sine. Right. In cosine, you will find A naught, AN, and in sine, you will find only BN, and it is exactly similar to this. Right. So this is what you will remember. Chalo. So next is we'll write the question. Are the definition clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, good. So it is like pi, but just with a single modification, that is the angle. Angle is n pi x pi. Write the question. Expand f of x is equal to pi x in 0 to 1 and 0 in 1 to 2, comma, period 2 into a Fourier series into a Fourier series. Okay, this is the question. Expand this function of period 2 into a Fourier series. Means we have to find the Fourier series of the given function. So as the given function is defined on the interval, what is the interval?
0 to 12.
No. Before that, 0 to 2L or 0 to L, just the interval where the function is defined. Whole function is defined on what?
0 to 2.
0 to 2 with one discontinuity at 1. Correct? The function is defined on the interval 0 to 2. Right. So given interval is 0 to 2. Now, whenever is there pi in it, in the interval?
No.
So this is not of the first type where 0 to 2 pi or 0 to pi or minus pi to pi is there. It is 0 to 2, no pi is in it. So means it is a arbitrary interval. Second type. Now, if it is arbitrary interval which is having only numbers in it, so it can be either 0 starts नि होणारे दोन आहे 0 to 2L आहे आणि 0 to L आहे. बाकी तर मग -L to L टाइप आहे. जर तो असा असला पाहिजे -2 to 2 असला पाहिजे. राईट, बट इथे 0 to 2 आहे ना. सो 0 to असणारा आपल्याकडे एक तर 0 to 2L आहे किंवा मग 0 to L आहे. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right? Everyone is understanding? If your interval is like -2 to +2, then there is this type -L to L, but it is not like that -2 plus, it is 0 to 2. And 0 starts is either an interval 0 to 2L or the interval 0 to L, right? So whenever it is 0 to L, it is half range, right? And whenever it is a 0 to 2L, it is full range or it is just the Fourier series. So you have to here read the question properly, whether it is half range or whether it is just a Fourier series. So what is asked here?
Fourier
Into
series.
a Fourier series, not half range word, nothing, right? So means this interval you will compare with what?
0 to 2L.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Right? So if there is a word say into a cosine series, means it is what now?
Half range 0
Half
to L.
range, perfect, 0 to L. You will compare this interval with 0 to L, and comparing will give you the value of L, and L is very important in this case. So where you are comparing is very much important. Clear? So as
ma'am.
it is Fourier series, not half range, and it is 0 to something, so you will compare with 0 to 2L. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt? Please ask. Okay, so the given interval, this is the given interval. And as the Fourier series is asked, so compare that 0 to 2 with 0 to 2L. So we get, what do we get? 2L is compare, we are comparing, means these two are equal. So 0 is equal to 0 and 2L is equal to 2, right? So what is L?
1.
1. So this value is very important, L. Very first thing, whenever interval comes, you first find the value of L by comparing the interval with the standard interval. Clear? So we need to define now the Fourier series. So therefore, Fourier series, where we are defining the Fourier series now? In
0 to 2L.
0 to 2L, perfect, because we have compared this with 0 to 2L, right? So Fourier series in 0 to 2L is f of x is, are we checking for the function even or here?
No.
No, we do this in -L to L only, right? So Fourier series in 0 to 2L, it is A0 plus summation an cos
n pi x upon
n pi x upon n.
Right, n pi x by L plus Bn sine n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity, where A naught is. What is A naught?
1 upon 2L integration f of x dx.
1 upon 2L, as it is like original, 1 upon 2L integration f of x dx, and the limits are
0 to 2L.
0 to 2L.
because we have written it in 0 to 2L. Interval is 0 to 2L, so it is integration 0 to 2L. An is 1
1 by
upon
L.
L, huh?
Integration
0
0
to
to
2L.
f of x cos
F
n
of
pi
x into
upon
cos
Cos n x upon L.
n pi x by L dx. And Bn is
1 by L. 0 to 2L.
0 to 2L f
F
of
of
x
x.
n pi x upon
Sin
n.
n pi x upon
L dx. Right. So this is what we have to find. So we go with A naught 1 upon 2L. L is what, but
1.
we have already find out L is 1. Right. So here we are writing the value of L and we'll solve. So 1 upon 2L, L is 1. Integration 0 to 2L, L is 1. F of x dx. We have to solve this integration now. Okay, f of x. What is happening with the f of x? Check your f of x. Here it is your f of x. 0 to 2, we have to find the integration. But 0 to 2, what? Integration 0 to 2, we have to solve. But 0 to 2 is?
Divided into part 0 to 1, 1 to 2.
Right. 0 to 2 is break into two parts, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So integration also
Divide.
breaks. Right. As how the integration breaks? 0 to
1.
1 and 1 to 2.
Two.
Right. And on 0 to 1, what is the value?
Pi x dx.
Pi x. Right. Pi x dx. And on 1 to 2,
0.
0. So it is 0 dx. Means it whole thing is 0. So we need to solve the first part only. This is 0. The pi is constant will come out. So it comes out of whole because this is 0. Okay. So pi by 2 integration x is
X square upon 2.
square by 2.
right. And from 0 to 1. Okay. So 2 also come out. Pi by 4. Upper limit 1 square 1 minus 0. So it is pi by 4. Correct? Check once. A naught is pi by 4. You all are solving with me, please. An 1 upon what? L.
Yes.
L is what but
1.
1. Integration 0 to 2L. L is 1. F of x into cos n pi x by L. L is 1 dx. Right. 1 upon 1, 1. Integration we have to find 0 to 2. What it happens here?
It will
0
break.
to 2 जसं function break झालं integration पण break होणार 0 to 1 1 to 2 that by 1 it is okay that we are not writing, which can just write cos n pi x. Okay, on 0 to 1 what is the function?
Pi
Pi
x.
x.
N
Pi
pi
x,
x upon
right, into cos n pi x dx. And on 1 to 2 it is
0.
0 into anything, right? So this will be 0. So this part becomes 0. We are solving this only where pi is constant comes out integration 0 to 1 x into cos n pi x dx. This is 0. Forget. We have to solve this integration. How will you solve?
Leibniz rule.
Leibniz.
Yes. Can we apply? Everyone is able to understand. Can we apply Leibniz here?
Yes.
Yes.
And what is u?
X.
X. Its derivative is getting 0. This is v. Okay, chalo pi. You solve this and tell me please, AN. I will be waiting for your answer. Chota hai. Please solve it. Take 2 minutes time and please solve.
X into
Okay, X should get removed. I'm expecting answer. The final answer. AN is
Final.
equal to.
Okay.
AN is equal to 1 upon that something. Please tell me if you are done. U into X into UV1. What is integration of cos? Integration of cos is sine.
Sin
N
n
by X upon.
n pi.
And
Perfect. N pi. Derivative of this is n pi. So upon n pi. Then minus
Minus 1.
1 into integration of sine. Derivative
minus
is
cos
1.
n
Integration
x
is
Minus cos.
minus cos n pi x upon n pi.
Yes.
Already n pi. So it becomes
square.
N square pi square.
n
Pi
square
square.
pi square. Next will be 0. So this is over from 0 to 1. Okay. So everyone is able to write that.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So it becomes pi. Okay. Upper limit, it is 1. So x we are replacing by 1. So if it is 1, sine n pi. And what is sine n pi?
0.
0. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if it is 1 here, minus minus plus cos n pi upon n square pi square. Upper limit is done. Now minus lower limit. X is 0.
0.
0 into anything 0.
Zero.
Plus cos 0. Cos 0 is
1.
1 upon n square pi square. Okay, so if we can see what is common here, 1 upon n
1
square
upon
pi
n
square.
square.
Right, so it is pi is there upon n square pi square out. Here it is cos n pi and here it is minus 1. Is it? Yes. And when pi is getting cancelled here, pi cancel. So an is 1 upon n
square.
square pi
Pi.
into cos n pi. What is cos n pi?
Minus 1 raised to
Nine.
n.
Minus 1. So this is your an. Please check your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So if you can do this, very good. Chalo, we need to find bn also. And now we'll go to bn. Bn is 1 upon L. L is 1, but no?
Yes.
Right. So 1 upon 1. Integration 0 to 2L. L is 1. F of x into sine n pi x by L. L is 1 dx. So it is 1 by 1 is 1. Integration 0 to 2 again breaks as 0 to 1. 1 to 2. In 0 to 1 it is pi x into sine n pi x dx. And in 1 to 2 it is 0. So 0 into sine. This
0.
part is 0. The pi comes out. We will apply Leibniz here. This is u, this is v, this whole is 0. Okay, so what is integration? X
Pi.
into x into integration of sine,
Minus cos n pi x upon n pi.
right, upon n pi, minus
Minus
derivative of this is 1. Integration of this
minus sin n pi x upon n square pi square.
Right. Integration of cos is sine. So minus sign remains as it is, sin n pi x upon n pi into already 1 n pi. So n square pi square. From 0 to
0
1.
to
Okay, if upper limit is 1, it will retain. So minus is there, 1 cos n pi upon n pi plus sin n pi. What is sin n pi?
0.
So this is 0. Minus. Now lower limit x is 0. So 0 into
Zero.
anything?
0.
0.
0.
If it is 0 here, sin 0. 0. So
Zero.
this is also 0. Yes, this has remained. Pi will be cancelled here. Minus pi into cos n pi upon n pi. So pi cancelled. Therefore bn is, what is cos n pi but?
Minus
Minus
1.
Right. So minus 1 raised to n upon n. Check your answer. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this either you can also write it as minus 1 into minus 1 raised to n. That is minus 1 raised to,
N plus 1.
right. This is also okay. Or okay, therefore f of x is equal to, because it breaks, okay, so f of x is equal to a naught. What was a naught? Check a
Pi by
naught.
4.
Pi by 4, correct. Plus summation an. An is
1 upon n square pi.
okay. So it is summation an. What is an? 1 upon pi
N
n
square.
square minus
Minus
1
1.
raised to n minus
Minus
1 into cos n pi x by l. But n is l is 1, so it is cos n pi x plus summation gets separate. If you want, you can write like this. Summation bn is
Minus 1 raised to n plus 1.
okay. You can write this or this, whatever you want. So bn into sine n pi x by l is 1 is the required Fourier series. Done. Is there any question? Is there any doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Previous slide. Previous slide.
previous slide. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have anything to ask? Any doubt? Any question? काही विचारायचंय? विचारा. Okay, chalo. We'll go to the next question then. Find the Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to e raised to ax in minus L to L. Read the question properly and then see the interval. What is the given interval?
Minus L to L.
Okay, just a minute. Minus L to L, I can write minus A to A. or any other variable. Okay, let it be minus L to L, no doubt. Sure, we'll do that. Okay, have you checked the given interval? The given interval is minus L to L is the given interval. So this is of the type. There are three types of interval: 0 to 2L, minus L to L, and 0 to L. Where it belongs,
Minus L to L.
right? It is exactly similar to minus L to L. So we compare minus L to L with minus L to L itself. So we get L is L itself, right? No number, just L is L. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So L is L means we have everywhere have to write L is L itself. So Fourier series is f of x is. Before
to-
that,
Before
that,
Need to
what should
take
we
one
do?
order, neither even nor.
more
Yes,
odd.
because the interval as the given interval minus L to
Minus.
L, check for even, odd, or neither even nor odd. Right? So we check f of minus x. Right. So f of minus x is e raised to a into minus x, e raised to minus x. It becomes, is it like e raised to ax?
No.
No, means it is not equal to f of x. So is it like minus of e raised to ax?
No.
No. So this is not also minus of f of x, right? So function is neither even,
Nor odd.
right? F of x is neither even nor odd. Everyone is able to check that function is neither even nor odd. Now, as it is neither even nor odd, means what?
Nothing is 0.
Right. So therefore, the Fourier series is, right, the Fourier series. सगळं आहे त्यामध्ये. Sorry, an cos n pi x upon L. Don't forget this because interval is not having pi. Pi नसेल तर denominator angle is n pi x pi. So bn sin n pi x by L, n is 1 to infinity. आता मी हे सगळं combined, sorry, सेपरेट घेतीये, इंटरवल्स वेगळे घेतीये, 0 to pi वेगळं घेतीये, पाई चे वेगळे लिहिती, L चे वेगळे लिहिती. पण जेव्हा तुम्हाला येईल तेव्हा तुम्हाला ते पहिलं चेक करावी लागेल की पाय आहे की L आहे. ठीक आहे. So where define a naught.
N
We
by
are
2.
doing this over minus L to L, right? So define now a naught on this.
1 upon 2L integration minus L to L f of x dx.
Right, 1 upon 2L as interval is minus L to L. So limits are that as it is not even not odd. And an is 1 upon
L
1
L
upon
minus L to L f of x into,
cos n
pi
pi.
x upon L
right,
dx.
dx. And bn is 1
1
upon
upon
L
L
minus L to L f of x into sine n pi x by L dx. Can I expect an answer from you? A naught? L is L itself. So solve for A naught. A naught is, consider. L is L itself. So here L is L. So 1 upon 2L integration minus L to L f of x. What is f of x?
e raised to x.
E raised to ax dx. Solve this and tell me the value, please. What is integration e raised to ax? What is integration e?
E raised to x upon a.
Correct. Integration of e is e itself. Do you remember? Integration of e is e itself. Derivative of e is also e itself, but that into a get multiplied in derivative and it gets divided in integration. So it is e raised to ax upon derivative of this, that is a. That is from minus L to L. A is constant, comes out 1 upon 2AL, e raised to AL minus e raised to minus AL. This is something. What is that?
Formula.
Sin
What is-
hyperbolic.
Right, but there should be 2, so that 2 you can take in. And this is what?
Sin hyperbolic
Hyperbolic.
Sin hyperbolic what?
AL.
AL. And upon AL is there as it is. And we know since sin hyperbolic AX is e raised to AX minus e raised to minus AX upon 2. So X is here L, so it is sin hyperbolic AL, that upon AL as it is. So this is your A naught. Correct?
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead with AN, solve for AN, tell me the value. 1 upon L, L is L itself, minus L to L, f of x e raised to AX into cos n pi x upon L dx. How will you solve?
Formula e raised to x
Yes,
into
we cannot use Leibniz here. So what is that formula? Integration e raised to AX cos bx dx. What is that?
E raised to x upon a square plus b square.
Correct? Into
A cos.
b sin
A cos. Cos,
bx plus b
so
sin
cos.
bx.
And whenever it is
Plus b
cos, there
sin.
is plus in between. B sine dx. This is the formula. So we'll apply it here. What is A? A is what here?
A
A.
A.
And what is B?
n pi
N
N.
N pi x by L.
n pi
Now dx. X. X. D.
N pi.
N pi by L. X नाव फक्त तुम्ही X सोडणार आहेत ना फक्त. मग X सोडला काय राहिलं? तो B राहिला N pi by L. समजलं?
yes
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, it is 1 by L. Integration we are writing e raised to AX upon A square. A is A itself plus B square. That is N pi by L square. Into A is A cos as it is. As cos there is plus in between. B is N pi by L into cos becomes sine n pi x by L. And this is from minus L to L. Correct? Solid. 1 upon L. Before writing the limits, I'll simplify this. E raised to AX. This is n square pi square upon L square. And cross multiply it here. It becomes A square L square plus n square pi square whole upon L square. Clear?
yes
Right. So L square comes here. This is n square pi square and whole upon L square into, this is as it is, A cos n pi x by L plus n pi by L sine n pi x by L, and this is from minus L to L. Okay, before we go ahead, so this is upon means it is in numerator, or we can see here one L also get cancelled. They are multiplying. Right, so L, this is in the denominator, so it goes up. Can I do that?
yes
It is like,
Yes.
right, it is like L into
e raised to x
e raised to AX upon,
a square l square plus n square pi square
tell me please, what is that term? A square L
L
square,
square.
right? A square L square plus n square pi square into A cos,
n pi x upon l
right?
plus
Yes, na? N
n
pi
pi
by
upon
L,
l sin n pi x upon l.
right? So this is where we are now, and we have to put the upper lower limits. So L is there as it is, upper limit is L. So everywhere x is L, e raised to AL upon plus n square pi square into, if we put L here, L get cancelled, x is L ठेवला तर L cancel and it will be A cos n pi, right? And if it is L here, this is n pi by L sine L get cancelled, it is sine n pi. What is sine n pi but?
0.
Right. So this is the upper limit. Now we'll go with the lower limit minus L. X is now minus L, e raised to minus AL upon this as it is into A cos x is minus L, LL cancel, cos minus n pi it is, right? We'll write it later, minus of theta, what is. Okay, plus next is n pi by L. X is minus L, so it is LL get cancelled and it is minus n pi. Can you just check? Here it is minus L, LL cancel, so it is sine minus n pi. Okay, so therefore it is e raised to AL upon, this is as it is, n square pi square as it is. A into cos n pi, what is cos n pi?
Minus 1 raised to n.
Right. And this is 0, sin n pi is 0. So this term is 0, it get multiplies to this. Minus e raised to minus AL upon into cos of minus theta, what is it?
Cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
Right, so this is cos n pi. So A into cos n pi,
Minus 1 raised to n.
right. And this is sine of something, but sine any pi is 0, so this is 0. This is what is there. And what is common, you can take out now. What is common? A minus 1 raised to n upon A square. This whole is common. So LA minus 1 raised to n upon A square L square plus n square pi square into e raised to AL minus e raised to minus AL. Okay, this is what is your AN, but if you want it in hyperbolic terms, what should we do to this term?
Divide by 2.
Right.
Divide and multiply
If
by
we
2.
divide by 2, you will multiply by 2 also. You can do this in next step, okay? So can I do this in next step itself? Right. Okay, so therefore it is 2AL minus 1 raised to n upon A square L square plus n square pi square. 2 multiplied, so 2 divide means this is, what is this term?
Sin
Sin.
hyperbolic AL.
Right. Sin hyperbolic AL and this is your AL. Done. And I'm leaving Bn for you. Solve Bn. Okay, Bn is your homework. Bn, what is that? Find it and put it in the equation number 1, and that will be the required Fourier series. This is your homework. Will you able to do this?
Yes.
Yes.
Good,
Yes, ma'am.
good. Can I give you one more homework?
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want? Okay, do this at least. Tomorrow we'll take more questions and I'll give you homework then. On all the types like half range or everything. At least do this. Wait, do not leave. If any doubt in between, please ask. There are many questions. You can just change the interval functions are there, sin x, cos x, e, x square, x cube, whatever. You will check it on 0 to 2 If it is Fourier series 0 to -2 to 2 for the full range, and half range we'll see. There will be the word half range for that. So this is all from my side. If you have something to say, go ahead, or else we'll stop. Sure, we'll close then. Thank you. Bye.